Hi guys, Retro Django here. We are going to enjoy amazing SID tunes on the Amiga 1200. Just check this demo out. I mean, it's an Amiga 1200, but it sounds like Commodore 64, and I love it. The demo is called Reborn. Check it out on with your headset. It's so well done. Enjoy it, guys. If you like SID tunes, check it out. That's it, guys. Isn't it just amazing? So much Commodore 64 love in here, man. I mean, it's just clear to listen. I mean, I love it. So go ahead, Reborn. I am running this on a 105 megahertz Amiga 1200, and it's just pure magic. So if you like them SID tunes, I fully recommend this demo called Reborn. I wish you all a great day, and special thanks to my supporters on Patreon. I love you guys. Have a great day out there with a lot of love and positivity, it's called. Commodore 64! I can't get enough of it, man. Yeah. See you on the next video. Bye.